Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Fun in the Kitchen with April. So, today I am going to show you a one-pan chicken and rice. We're going to put the chicken and the rice, everything in there together. And as you probably see, I already have the rice in here. So, just a minute before we get to the food. I want to say thank you to all new subscribers for subscribing, and thank you for joining in Fun in the Kitchen with April. And to all my subscribers that have been here from the very beginning, thank you. You know I love you. Also, I am still going to be on this channel, but I'm changing the name of the channel. So Fun in the Kitchen with April will be on the channel, but the new name will be Essence of Mahogany Productions. Why? Because I'm going to do another show called Salon Chat. So if you ever wondered what we talk about in the salon, Salon Chat will tell you. So I just wanted to let you guys know about that so that you can check that out as well. But I'm still always going to bring you great recipes because I like sharing recipes with you. So anyway, let's get on to cooking our chicken. Okay, so here I have 2 cups of rice that I've already put into my aluminum pan, and I just kind of spread it out, okay? Because that's what we need. 2 cups of rice. We need 4.5 cups of chicken broth, and I have 5 pieces of thighs here, okay? And what I'm going to do, because our yellow rice is already seasoned, I'm just going to use some Creole seasoning on my chicken. So I don't really feel like I need to put a whole lot more because I don't want to overpower any seasonings. Plus, I have chicken broth that I made with the crushed bouillon. Okay, so we're going to get started with putting our chicken broth in here. And like I said, you can see I've already put 2 cups of yellow rice in here. And I'm just going to give my chicken broth a little stir, because again, it was the powdered chicken broth, because I didn't have a box of chicken broth. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour this chicken broth in here. Okay, and I'm going to stir that up a little bit. And then I'm going to take, now it's 4.5 cups, but I did 4 cups of chicken broth. And then I'm just going to do a 1/2 cup of plain water. Okay, so we have that there. All right. And then what I am going to do is get our chicken seasoned up. So I have 5 thighs right here. Okay, guys. Hold on, let me see if I can pull you in a little closer. Okay, here we go. So, and of course, like I always say, make sure you have clean hands. Okay, so I'm just gonna sprinkle my thighs, and I've already cleaned the thighs, by the way. Okay, I got all the fat and all the gushy stuff off already. So I'm just gonna season these thighs a little bit with this Creole seasoning. I think this Creole seasoning will be so good with this yellow rice. And you know, the Creole seasoning has just a little bit of a kick to it, not much, but a little bit of a kick to it. So, and I don't want to over season because the yellow rice is seasoned. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay my chicken skin side up on top of my rice. Okay, just like that. So I have five thighs, but you can use as many thighs as you would like. And you see, I just have it laid on there just like that. And what's going to happen, everything is going to blend nicely and the rice will begin to soak up all of the liquid. Okay, so give me a minute. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so now I'm just going to cover my 1 pan of chicken and rice, and we're going to put it in the oven for an hour and a half, okay? But the last 30 minutes, what I'm going to do is take the foil off, okay? So we'll let this cook for an hour and a half. See, that was quick and easy today, wasn't that? One pan, everything in there. Quick and easy. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so just really quick, I just put the chicken in the oven, like I said, for an hour and a half. So what I wanted to tell you while that's in the oven is, at the end of this video, I am going to give you a sneak peek of Salon Chat. So at the end, stay tuned so that you can get that sneak peek of Salon Chat. And remember, the recipes are always in the description box at the bottom, underneath the video. At the bottom is where all my recipes always are, in the description box. Okay, so I will see you back in an hour and a half. Okay, my beautiful people, we are back, and this is our 1 pan chicken and rice. And again, I used the yellow rice, 5 thighs, chicken broth, and a little Creole seasoning. So this is our 1 pan chicken and rice. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, this was a quick one, so it wasn't a lot to it today. And I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you make it, because this is what's for dinner tonight. So I hope you get a chance to make it. And I want you to let me know how you enjoyed it. Okay? So remember to stay tuned, because at the end of this video will be the sneak peek of Salon Chat, and I would love for you all to check that out as well. I'm still going to be fun in the kitchen with April, but I'm adding Salon Chat. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and press the notification bell so you know the next time I have a great recipe coming for you. Bye.